think it's here. Oh wow, it's here. We're on the 21st floor. Please don't let there be a camera in here. Oh, there's a camera, fuck. 3B, 2B, B, C. Oh fuck, I accidentally selected them all. We're gonna go down to 2. Here we go. This is it? Really? This is as fast as it's gonna go? Geez, no wonder why it took so long to get up there. Anyway, look at all these frickin' buttons. You ever seen a Dewhurst panel like that before? All deliveries must sign in with security before using freight. Well, I'm not a delivery, so I don't have to. We're only gonna ride this down because I'm already pushing my luck by riding this thing at all, so I don't want to overstay my non-existent welcome. Check out that panel. That's crazy. Huh. Wow. Ooh, this is bouncy. $200 feet per minute for 20 floors. Jesus. That's ridiculous. That's slow. Come on. Close. There we go. Why don't you go? Bye. There it goes. Anyway, that's it.